Hello, my name is Britt Rockey, and this is a video on organizing a Google Calendar. In this video, you will learn 1. How to change calendar view and print the calendar. 2. Edit an event in the calendar. 3. Invite guests to an event. 4. Create additional calendars. And 5. Modify calendar event settings. First, we will look at how to change the calendar view. To change the calendar view, you will go to the upper right-hand corner where it says Day, and click on it, and it'll have a pull-down menu, and you can switch it to any one, and then you'll view through that. If you want to print out whichever one you choose, just press Control P, and you can print it out from there. To edit an event in the calendar, click on the event that you want to edit, and look for the pencil. If you click on the pencil, you'll be able to edit the event how you'd like. In order to invite a guest, you can do one of two things. You can click on the event and click on the email and choose an email address, or you can double click and then add a guest from there. If you want to create an additional calendar, you go to the left side, scroll down, and where it says Other Calendars, click Add Another the plus sign, and that'll create another calendar. Last, if you want to edit the calendar settings, go to the cog right next to the day, the view setting, and click Settings, and there you can change time zone, language, and a lot of other information. That was my tutorial on Google Calendar. Hope you learned something new.